Hey guys, it's Chase here with Leka.io, and we have so many things that we want to show you, but today we're just going to go over how to automate a detailed blog post using one of our pre-built templates from Leka.io. Let's get into it. So this is our main page. What we're going to do is we'll create a project. Today I'm just going to use my Chase's projects, and then we're going to create a new workflow. When you're starting a workflow, you have to have a trigger. So today, because we're going to have this connected to an agent later, I'm going to select a manually run trigger. With a manually run trigger, you have to give optional inputs. So in this situation, we're going to do this input needs to be the topic, and then this is going to be the LLM instructions. So right here, because it's going to be used by an agent, we need to leave this topic field blank. And then this would be the instructions that you want to have your agents, or in this case, AI, populate the instructions from. So, for instance, this would be like, do this to get this. So from here, when going to the next module, you're going to open the AI and create a custom prompt. Right here, you'll choose the type. I'm going to choose system, and then right here, I'm going to put test, and then you can add your previously run outputs. So in this situation, I would want it to always look at the LLM instructions, and then you would type out talk about, and then you go here, this topic. From there, you'll save, and then I'm just going to spare us some time and go to where I've built it out already. So from here, we have the manually run trigger, the topic, and then the LLM instructions that I've given it. When you go through a blog post, you have to think of what you need in a blog post, which is the who, what, when, where, why, primary advantages, probably frequently asked questions. So from there, what I've done is you go through, you create the prompt. So in this situation, it's always going to give the LLM instructions in each different module or node. And then it's going to say develop a segment of a blog focusing on the topic that you give it. It will go through, and from here you will be able to give it specific instructions per each custom prompt, which is an AI. You're essentially talking with ChatGPT. You go through and do it for each individually run topic. From there, we're going to go through common questions. Once it populates a blog post for each of these when, where, why, how, common questions, all that stuff, it's going to summarize each blog post, and then it's going to take all of the responses that you gave each node, summarize them, and then put it in a blog post format. From there, you'll look at the output being, and this is when I'm a big hockey fan, I had it go over hockey for me, and it built out a whole blog post on hockey and where it came from and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. The other thing that we can jump into in a different video is being able to talk to this via an agent. So until next time, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, or want us to make specific things for you, please let us know and we'll create that content. Thank you.